Hi everyone, it's Elena and welcome to today's video. As you guys know, we release a printable scrapbook kit on the first of every single month for you guys in our monthly kit club to, do whatever you want with, and that is what we have going on today. We released that literally today, and you can see that we have some fun tutorials coming where we make some journals and just give you some ideas of what you can do with that kit. This video specifically is dedicated towards the matching stickers. So if you want the matching stickers, I'm going to go ahead and show you what is included in this month's kit for the stickers that can be purchased on Dilly Dally Stickers. So we have, I should mention, we have the 10 different sticker sheets in the set. They can be bought individually or as this whole collection. If you buy it as the whole collection, you do get all of these little goodies with it, but it is just beautiful. So we have some different textures here. We have some shiny, we have matte, and then we have a different like semi-transparent matte. So we'll get to that. We have some French ephemera. These are like paper samplers, so if you love like planning or bullet journaling, these are fantastic. Some banners. It's kind of a blue forest curio sticker sheet. I love this one. Some vintage lockets. I seriously am obsessed. This is a great one. A lot of these sticker sheets will look good with the monthly kit, but they'll also look good with other items as well. So it's really fun. These are just some blue vintage letters. They're just very light and beautiful. Another one of my favorites are these text black and white washi tape samplers. So they were kind of just like washi tape. They're really fun and versatile. We have the Florence butterflies. And then these two are kind of more seasonal. They don't necessarily go with the kit, but they are fun and you could work them into the kit if you wanted to. This one is Starlight Magic, I believe, and then Halloween Classics, which maybe if I give you a good background. I love them all. They're seriously so much fun and are going to be great to work with. So let me explain how to get these. So if you subscribed to the Happy Mail Dilly Dally subscription, then you actually are going to get these sent to you October. We're going to send them out like October 2nd, probably October 1st or 2nd. And then you will get your exclusive postcard, some other fun freebies, and some sticker sheet freebies as well. So if you were a subscriber, then you do get those extras. If you haven't subscribed yet, just keep in mind that if you do subscribe, that you don't get this month's kit, you get next month's kit. So you're charged and then you get the following month's kit. But you can buy these stickers as a catch-up pack if you want, and you'll get the postcard and the stickers and everything. We also wrap it in this fun, kind of unique matching tissue paper, and we have thank you stickers and just some other fun things to just make it all handmade and cute and fun. And then we put it in these little envelopes here. So that is a little bit about that. I will have everything linked in the description of this video. I know it's a lot, you guys, but it is really fun. I hope all of that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments and I will try and get to them as quick as I can. I'm really excited to work with these stickers, to work with the new Pink Monarch Prints kit. It's going to be so great. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you in our upcoming videos tomorrow and throughout the rest of the month using all of these fun craft supplies. And I think that's it. We'll see ya.